Hi friends, welcome to Learning Spark. In this video, we are going to learn about triangles. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And for more such videos, please hit the subscribe button. So let's get started. Okay, so let's start with understanding what a triangle is. The triangle is a polygon formed by joining three line segments. So here you can see this is a line segment, this is a line segment, and this is a line segment, right? Three line segments joining each other and forming a triangle. This figure is called a triangle. Here also three line segments, they form a triangle, okay? So let's see the type of triangles that we can form with three lines. So this is one type. See here, these three line segments, their lengths are different. One is 2 centimeter, one is 4 centimeter, one is 5 centimeter. So when the lengths are different for all the line segments, this kind of triangle is called a scalene triangle. Now here you can see a second type of triangle where for two line segments, the lengths are same. The third line segment, the length is different. So these two are 5 centimeter, but this is 2 centimeter. So if any two line segments length is same, then it is called isosceles triangle. And now let's come to the third category of triangle where all the line segments are same in length. So this is 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter, this is also 4 centimeter. This kind of triangle is called equilateral triangle. Okay, so you should remember these three triangles: scalene triangle, isosceles triangles, and equilateral triangle. Now we come to a fourth category of triangle which also you should know. If one of the angle of the triangle is 90 degree, and 90 degree is by the way called right angle, okay? If you want to know more about this, then you have to refer to my video on angles. There is another video called geometry angles, you can refer to that. But 90 degree is called right angle, and that is why any triangle which is containing one angle which is 90 degree is called a right angle triangle. Okay, so this is a right angle triangle where one line, you can see it's standing on the other line. Okay, this kind of lines are called perpendicular line, which is standing on one another, and the angle formed in between is called 90 degree angle or the right angle. Okay, so this kind of triangle is called right angle triangle. Now let's learn a rule which is applied to a triangle. Sum of all three internal angles of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. So this is an internal angle of the triangle. Internal angle simply means that the angle is forming inside the triangle. Okay, there is another angle which is forming between the two line segments, which is this angle, external angle. Okay, externally this angle is formed and internally this angle is formed. So internal angle simply means that the angle is formed inside the triangle. Okay, now this is an internal angle, this is an internal angle, this is an internal angle. Okay, these three internal angle, if you sum them, it is always going to be 180 degree for all triangles. Okay, so angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 here is 180 degree. So if angle 1 is 30 degree, say angle 1 is 30 degree, angle 2 is 15 degree, say this is 15 degree, right? Then angle 3 has to be 135 degree, this has to be 135. Okay, otherwise how would it be 180? It has to be 180 always. Okay, otherwise it's always true for triangles. For example, if it is 30 degree, if this is 20 degree, right, then the third angle will be 130 degree, because 30 plus 20 equals to 50 and 50 plus 130 equals to 180. Okay, so we can always calculate if two angles are given, right, we can always calculate the third angle. Okay, because the sum of three angles are 180 degree. Now let's learn another rule. Okay, angle which is opposite to equal lines are equal. So for example, this line segment and this line segment and this line segment in this one is equal. All of these are equal, right? Because this is an equilateral triangle. We are talking about an equilateral triangle. Now, the angle opposite to the lines, let's understand what is the angle opposite to this line, right? This is the red line. The angle opposite to the line is this one, which is formed in between blue and green line, is the angle which is opposite to red line. Okay. Similarly, this angle is opposite to the blue line. The blue line and the blue angle, you see, the blue angle is formed in between the red line segment and the green line segment. Okay, this is opposite to the blue line. So this is okay. So this angle which is opposite to blue line and this angle which is opposite to red line are going to be equal because the blue line and red line are equal. Okay, similarly the green line is also equal to both of them, so the opposite angle to the green line is also equal to this thing. So these three angles are equal in this case, right? These three angles are all equal. Okay, and we already know that the summation of all angles are 180 degree, and now we can say that these three are all equal, so all of these will be 60 degree. Okay, so 60 degree plus 60 degree plus 60 degree is basically 180 degree. Okay, so all angles are 60 degree for a equilateral triangle. Okay, this is also another rule or another thing that you should know, that all angles for an equilateral triangle are going to be 60 degree. Hi friends, if you like this video, please press on the like button and please do not forget to share it with your friends. For more such videos, press on the subscribe button of the channel and then press on the bell icon to get notified. Thank you.